Hello students, in today's class we will discuss about the esterification reaction of carboxylic acid. Okay students, so in this class we will discuss how we can prepare the ester by using the carboxylic acid. Okay, so it is very simple way to prepare the ester. Okay, so esterification is nothing but formation of ester. Just see students, so you have to for formation of ester you have to need carboxylic acid and alcohol molecules. So then you will get a ester. Just see here, I have taken the example of acetic acid. So this is one of the carboxylic acid. CH3 C double bond O OH. So this is what acetic acid. Okay. So acetic acid reacted with methyl alcohol CH3OH. So this OH group I have written this side. CH3OH react with acetic acid. So this reaction will carry in presence of acidic medium. So here I am using the sulfuric acid H2SO4, or you can use the HCl, any mineral acid you have to use here, sulfuric acid or hydrochloric acid. Okay, so this reaction will carry in acidic medium. So what is the role of sulfuric acid here? So it is a dehydrating agent. We remove the water molecules. So students, in this reaction what happens? So how ester will form? Just see here. So here acetic acid and here methyl alcohol. So water molecule will remove like this. So the bond is breaking from here. This OH group is removed and this H. Okay, see this OH and this H, H2 will remove, and the remaining part CH3 C double bond O and OCH3. Like this CH3 C double bond O CH3. Remaining part going to be attached and we will get a methyl ethanoate. It is a ester and it loses the water molecule, this OH and this H. It is what? H2O. Now clear students, how this esterification reaction takes place? Acetic acid reacts with methyl alcohol in the presence of sulfuric acid. So this sulfuric acid acts as a dehydrating agent. So it is used to remove the water molecules. So water molecule I will remove. So this OH and this H, H2O will remove, and simply here we will get a methyl ethanoate. Okay students, so but now we will discuss the, so this is the general reactions. So now we will see the mechanism of this reaction. So that is very important. So mechanism we will discuss in details. So mechanism of esterification reaction. So just see students, I have taken the acetic acid here, CH3C double bond OH. First of all we taken the acetic acid, and then we can take the H plus ion. So this H plus ion coming from the acid, from sulfuric acid. So now what happens? Protonation takes place. This H plus ion will attack here because this oxygen having the lone pair of electrons. Okay, so now it forms the protonated acid. So this H will add here, so it forms the protonated OH plus charge will come, it forms the protonated acetic acid. Okay students, now I will clear this structure. So next way, now this another molecule is taken here, methyl alcohols. So the methyl alcohol will act here. So in this methyl alcohol I have written here CH3OH. So this oxygen having the lone pair of electron. Now when this H will attach, plus charge will come, this carbon also carry the plus charge, and this oxygen which carry the minus charge. Now this oxygen, this whole group going to be attached to this carbon now. Okay students, so then what happened now? Simultaneously this double bond will shift. Okay, this pi bond going to be shift on the oxygen, and this whole part going to be attached here. See the another structure here will get one tetrahedral structure. Okay students, so it is one tetrahedral, intermediate here will get. So now this converting to the OH, this CH3 as it is, this carbon as it is, this converting to the OH group, then this OH as it is, and this whole part means OCH3 and this H, OCH3H going to be attached. We get here tetrahedral intermediates. Now this in case there H plus transfer takes place, so this proton will transfer, means this bond will be shift here. Okay, so means this electrons can transfer toward this oxygen, and this hydrogen is loses, and this hydrogen is transferred toward this OH group because it have the lone pair of electrons. Okay students, now when this H plus will attach here, it converts into the OH2 group. So H plus transfer takes place. So remaining thing same as it is, CH3COH. Then now this OH now converting to the OH2. Okay, so it is a good leaving group, and this OCH3 as it is, only this H will transfer here. So in this case now there is a dehydration takes place. So what happens students now? This lone pair of electron will shift here, and this OH2 group now it is unstable form. So this OH2 will remove. OH2 is nothing but H2O. So here water molecule will remove, and simply we will get this structure CH3 C double bond O then this H, this OCH3. Now it is also unstable form. Okay, so now what happens, students? In this case, so one extra hydrogen is there. So the bond will be shifted because this oxygen carries a lone pair of electrons. So this electron they can attract over the oxygens. Now this hydrogen is released, and here minus H plus. And then what happen? What we get here? CH3 C double bond O O CH3. So in this way we'll get a ester. Now all of you clear? So this is what methyl ethanoate. In main reaction, just see same product will get methyl ethanoate and water molecule will get. So this is the mechanism. Okay, just once again I revise. Just see in mechanism of esterification. Here I have taken the acetic acid. Here protonation takes place. So this H plus will coming from the sulfuric acid. So here we will get a protonated carboxylic acid. Now in second step what happened? So whatever methyl alcohol here I have taken, so that methyl alcohol will attack on this carbon. So here we will get one intermediate tetrahedral structure. So now what happens, students? From that the hydrogen is released and it converted into the OH2. Now so in this OH2 is good leaving group. Now bond will be breaking from here and simply it will get this intermediate structure, and finally this H plus will remove and we'll get a methyl ethanoate. So this is the mechanism of esterification reaction. So I hope everybody understand the mechanism. So students, in next class we'll discuss about some chemical reaction of carboxylic acid. Okay, thank you so much.